It's a cat.
Good morning, good morning. Here we are, once a cat. So, Mia, what are you doing?
Loaded up a balloon.
Where'd you get balloons from?
Daddy?
Where did I get balloons from?
PPF training.
From PPF training. So Daddy was teaching PPF this week, how to cut and trim PPF, and we put PPF on balloons. We blow them up, put a piece of PPF on there, and try to cut it without popping it. Teaches you to be safe around all paint. And it works out really well, plus it's fun. And if they blow up, they blow up. It's okay, right? So, go ahead, let it go. Do you want me to tie it? Whoa. But,
And then it makes the fart sound.
yes. While Daddy was gone, Daddy had some packages come, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yes. So, we'll start with this one.
Wow, it's so tall.
Yes. Now, what do you think this could be?
A circle?
A circle. It looks like a tube. Let's see. What is that? What do you think's in here? You think it's a banner?
It's a banner.
Whoa.
Like that.
It's a big banner? Okay, let's check it out. This says Dr. Beasley's Authorized Detailer.
It's a banner.
It's a big banner.
You got
Whoa.
a banner.
Where should we put it?
Let's put it.
We'll have to find a place for it, huh? We can put it back here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's great.
That's a good place? All right. So Dr. Beasley's
We
authorized
We
detailer.
have 4 packages.
No, we got 3. So
There's 3 more left
Then-
to make 5.
we got another package from Dr. Beasley's. And this is going to be fun. So this is a new product.
Okay.
And
I hope I say seven for a peep tree. A peep tree?
nobody's tried this out yet, really, because it's for authorized detailers to try first. And this is Bead Hero.
Bead hero.
Bead Hero.
Bead hero.
Yes. So this is supposed to give lots of hydrophobic properties to vehicles.
It was a sprayer.
It's like a ceramic spray. Like it's gonna give all those cool little beads when the water hits it and make it little drops. You know how your car does?
This.
Mhm. So,
Glibble, glibble,
you want to see if it
glibble,
smells
glibble.
good? Let's do it this way. Let's see.
I like it.
You like everything, don't you?
It's a little strong for me.
Is it a little strong for you?
Mhm.
Okay. So, Dr. Beasley's Bead Hero. We can't wait to try this out. This is a brand new product.
And it's a little strong one.
A little strong one. All right. This is going to be a lot of fun. Can't wait to try this.
I can't wait.
Can't wait to try it. We'll
Excited.
put it right
I'm
there.
So excited.
Then,
It's a big package.
a big package. So, this is from...
It's smaller than us.
Oh, yeah. It's smaller than us. This is from Pearl Nano.
Mm-hmm.
And this...
Ground-up safety is nice.
Yes.
It's nice safety now.
And this package is basically their sample kit of their lineup.
And it's different.
They had reached out on Instagram
Oh, good job.
asking if we were interested in any of their products. So we got their sample kit with all their sprayers
Wow.
and all their bottles here. We got
Spray.
some microfiber applicator blocks,
Wow.
some
If you
towel.
put 2, it's like a shoulder.
All these right here.
Wow, that's a lot.
So, We got a bunch of stuff here to try out and play with, right?
Look at it. Wow.
So,
Look at it. They got letter eye.
we got some interior detailer. That's for cleaning the insides and making them nice and shiny. Some ceramic compound.
What is these? Extra.
Correction compound. We got
Is it
some.
dangerous? Is these dangerous?
They have their GHS symbols. Now this says it is slightly flammable and slightly, I believe, skin irritant is what that one says.
And you should wash your hands.
Yes. This one is a wax. It's called Max.
Oh, it's fuzzy.
This one is a water spot remover.
What? This one.
Then we got Speed Coat, which looks like a quick detailer. Ceramic waterless wash. What else do we have here? We got tire gel. Iron remover. We got Decon.
You should wash your hands for them.
We got a spray on ceramic coating.
What is this one?
An all-purpose
Is this one
cleaner.
dangerous?
That means it's carcinogenic, yes.
Yeah.
We got Metal
You should
X,
not drink it.
iron and brake dust
You should
remover.
not drink this one.
No, definitely do not drink it. And then Power Soap with gloss enhancers. So we got a bunch of fun things to try out here and play with and see what we can do, right? So we're gonna play and have a lot of fun, right? But are you excited? Oh no.
We're firefighters.
We're firefighters? Do you want to be a firefighter?
Yeah. There's a fire. That's
I got it. I got it.
I
Fire's
got the
gone.
rest of the fire.
Good job. All right, so are you excited to try out all this new stuff?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a lot of fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which one do you want to try first?
I'll do a meeny, miny.
You'll do an eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Meeny, miny, mo.
This one? This is Decon. It says ceramic coating prep spray. Oh, so this is just like their
You
ISO
should
white,
wash your hands
basically.
for that one.
Yeah, but this is not what I thought it was. This is their iron. This is their metal.
Fire!
So
Fire!
Decon would just be their prep spray.
Fire!
Do you want to smell some of these?
Mhm.
What do you want to smell?
There's a
Here.
fire!
Oh, that for a prep spray. This smells really good.
It's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, I was
I
surprised.
like it.
Interesting.
I
Yeah.
smelled the. I will do a meeny, miny,
Well,
mo.
spray. This is their all-purpose
I
cleaner.
want to smell. I want to smell. Good.
It doesn't really smell like anything, does it?
Let's do this one.
The interior detailer.
Mhm.
Okay, let's smell this one.
I want to smell first.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Let's just try.
Ooh. What does that smell like? It smells good.
I don't know what it smells.
I don't know either, but it smells good. I like this one. Okay.
Hey, that's a happy face. Let me use it.
Okay.
That's
Power soap. Let's smell the soap. I don't know about that one.
I like that one. I like
Yeah.
all of this stuff.
I don't really like the soap. What about spray on ceramic? We'll smell this one. Smell it first.
Good.
Oh, that smells good. That smells like Nano Shock.
It matches this color.
This smells like Nano Shock. It smells exactly like Nano Shock from Nano Skin.
Let's do this because we
This
need-
is probably gonna smell bad.
I hope this smells good.
It's probably gonna smell bad. So
Good.
take a small breath. Small breath. Not a deep breath.
I like it.
No, you don't. No, you. So this is their iron remover. Very sulfur based. You can smell it right
Very
away.
good for me.
You like it?
That goes on the bad side. This is the bad
Oh, okay. This is the bad side.
I
Okay.
don't like it.
Ugh. Tire gel. Oh yeah.
It goes on the good side.
Okay. Speed coat. This is their.
Hey.
Hmm.
It's good. It's great.
It's grape.
I don't like this one.
You don't like this one?
It goes on the bad
Oh,
side.
is it because it smells like grape medicine?
Yeah.
And you don't like grape medicine, do
No,
you?
I don't like that.
Okay. This one is water spot remover.
I like it.
You like
It
it?
goes on the good side.
Okay.
However, I'm the good side and you're this side.
Okay.
Let's
This
switch
one.
seats.
Hold on. This one could smell a lot better.
Let's go on the good side.
This one's
I'm
good?
gonna go on the good side.
I'm surprised this
You're
one
the
doesn't
bad
smell
side.
better because this is a
You're
wax.
this side and I'm this side.
And wax usually smells much better.
We put this in the middle, whoever
Okay.
wins.
Okay. Here. Go ahead. Step over. Step over. There you go. Yeah, I got your sprayer.
I got the most.
Okay. So then we have what we got here. This is correction compound.
I'm gonna smell first.
Okay.
It's good.
Okay.
We're supposed to get these two.
And then we have ceramic compound.
And what is this one?
Non-dimension, virtually dust-free ceramic abrasive cutting and polishing compound.
That's a big name.
Interesting.
It's a big name. I want to smell.
No.
It's good.
Is it good or bad?
Good.
You like this one? Okay. And then we have one more. And this is graphene infused ceramic wireless car wash.
Good shower, not good shower.
You ready to smell?
Maybe this is good, so you should take a good breath.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. It goes on my side.
Okay.
This
So you have all these ones over here. You want to line them up, all the ones that smell really good? Okay. So you like this ceramic compound and the graphene infused ceramic wireless car wash. I'll push all this to the side, don't worry. So you like these ones. And Max, which I was really hoping this smelled a little better since it's a Carnauba spray. Water spot killer. Yeah. Tire
I'm
gel.
gonna do a snake line.
Thought that would smell a little better too. Spray on ceramic. Like I said, this smells just
one goes
like
right here.
Nano
The next
Shot from
video.
Nano Skin.
This one
smells
goes
great.
here.
Power soap. That could have smelled a little better. Interior
goes
detail.
here.
This smells really good. I like this
This
one.
one goes here.
Okay. What's next?
This one goes here.
All-purpose cleaner did not have a smell at all. It was very neutral.
This one goes here.
And Decon, which was their prep spray, actually smells really good. So that was awesome.
The bad one with it too.
And then correction compound doesn't smell that good. It's very solvent based, very petroleum. Metal X, that is foul. But I mean, they usually are. They're usually pretty ripe. And then Speed Coat. Mia does not like Speed Coat. Why don't you like the way it smells?
Because it's great.
Because it's grape. And Mia does not like grape
1,
because
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
yes. And Mia, why don't you like grape?
Because I don't like it.
Because of grape medicine, huh? Yeah. So Mia is not a fan of any grape medicine, grape Tylenol, or
I'm a
anything
fan
like
of
that.
these ones.
So, Speed Coat,
You have
she's
to
not gonna
leave
like
this.
using it ever.
Mine, team 1.
You're team 1. So
You're
then you have your
team
blocks
lost.
too, your microfiber blocks. What color are these? Orange. Then we have all our sprayers.
And they're squishy.
Now, obviously, we haven't actually used any of this. It'll be fun to play with
Look
it and
it,
test it
it's
and try it.
squished.
But off the basis of smell, Mia's very happy. You like these? Yes. So we will just play around and see what we have here. And then everything will be okay. So, Mia,
I need this, Dad.
you need this one? Okay. Are you leaving? Okay. Mia said bye. She's leaving.
Bye.
She's going away. Bye.